Little storyteller.
Sir Reginald, a brave knight with shiny blue armor, lived in a big stone castle. His best friend was Sparky, a little dragon with green scales and big friendly eyes. Sparky had a secret. He was afraid of his hiccups. One sunny morning, Sparky was playing in the castle garden, chasing colorful butterflies with orange wings. Suddenly, he felt a tickle in his tummy. Hic! A tiny shimmering sparkle popped out of his nose and floated into the air. "Oh no," whispered Sparky, his big eyes wide. Another hiccup. Hic! Another sparkle, this one blue and sparkly, joined the first. Sparky covered his nose with his little claws. He felt his face get warm with embarrassment. He didn't like his sparkly hiccups. He thought they were silly. Just then, Sir Reginald walked into the garden, his shiny boots crunching softly on the grass. He saw Sparky hiding his face. "Hello, little friend. What are you doing?" he asked kindly. Hic! Sparky couldn't help it. A shower of gold and silver sparkles burst from his nose. He looked down at the ground, feeling very small. "It's just my silly hiccups," he mumbled. Sir Reginald smiled. He looked at the glittering sparkles floating in the air. "Silly? Oh, Sparky, they are wonderful," he exclaimed. "They look like tiny stars." "Really?" Sparky asked, his eyes widening a little. "Yes," said Sir Reginald with a big smile. "In fact, we are having a party in the castle tonight. What if we used your sparkly hiccups to decorate?" Sparky thought about it. Decorate the castle with his hiccups? That sounded like fun. "Okay," he said, a grin spreading across his face. "I can try." Sir Reginald and Sparky went inside the castle. Hic! Sparky hiccuped, and a shower of green sparkles floated up to the ceiling. Hic! More sparkles, this time red and gold, landed on the big wooden table. Together they walked through all the rooms of the castle. Hic! 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 Sparky hiccuped, sparkly decorations everywhere. The castle looked magical. The walls shimmered, the chairs twinkled, and even the big stone pillars sparkled. That night, the castle was filled with happy guests. They danced and laughed under the sparkling lights that Sparky's hiccups had made. Sparky wasn't embarrassed anymore. He was proud of his sparkly hiccups. Sir Reginald put a friendly arm around Sparky. "You see, little friend," he said, "sometimes the things we think are strange or silly can be the most wonderful things about us." Sparky smiled, his green scales gleaming. He learned that it's okay to be different, and that even hiccups can be special, especially when they make everyone happy and the castle sparkle. Did you know that real hiccups happen when a muscle in your tummy, called the diaphragm, suddenly tightens? This makes you breathe in air quickly, and then your voice box closes, which makes the hic sound. Sparky's sparkly hiccups were much more fun.
Please subscribe. Thank you.